How to install this frequency drive on US1 550. This US1 550 frequency drive is already programmed and it comes with 3 sets of wires. These blue wires are the power wires coming in, L1, L2, L3, and these red wires are T1, T2, T3. These are the motor wires. These 4 wires are the control wires. Now our power wires, the blue ones, come and join the wires numbered 6, 7, and 8 on top of this thermal breaker. There are wires there normally on the machine at L1, L2, L3 at the connections, and we take those out, all of them, and join them to these 6, 7, and 8, like as they are. These 6, 7, 8 come with triple connectors. Each wire has a triple connection piece on them, and so all those wires are connected with their numbers to the right wire. So 6, 7, 8. This is easy. Coming to this motor wire set, the red wires, we here read T1, T2, T3. They are connected to these 3 motor wires. This is the motor cable. These 3 wires were right here, T1, T2, T3 on this, under this soft starter. We took those out and we connected those 3 wires to the red wires. So simple. Now coming to the control wires, we have 4 pieces of control wires. Let's start with the yellow and black. Yellow and black come and join the wires, 2 wires from the thermal breaker. At the thermal, on this thermal breaker, we have normally on a standard machine, we have wires at 13 and 14. And we take those out and join them to these 2 wires, yellow and black. Yellow and black here. Yellow wire is I11. This I11, this blue wire, was at number 14 on the thermal breaker. We took that one out and we joined it. We connected to I11 wire, yellow. And there was a wire at 13 which was plus, and it's here. This blue wire plus was connected to 13. We took it out and joined it to this black wire, plus, plus. So this is complete. Now we come to these 2 wires, and white and pinkish. They come here at A1 plus on this soft starter. 2 wires coming here. Actually, there are 3 connections in here, including with this one. This one goes in here, and 2 other wires go in here to A1 plus. We don't need this one. We take the other 2. Those are here. They have codes on them. Q1, this black wire, and then we have also another Q1 going into the electric conduit there, the blue wire. We take those 2 and join them with Q1. That's it. This, just a side note, this Q1 actually light wire. So when we press this one, we see a light here. That's what it does. So if we ignore connecting this, we would just lose the light in here when we press start, or we wouldn't see any light here normally to tell us that the machine was started anyways or turned off. So that's the benefit of this Q1 black wire. So this is that. Let's come to the white wire. This white wire has minus sign on it. There were two wires here at A2, two blue wires going into this spot together. These two, we see minus on those. We took those out, basically those two wires, and joined them with this minus white wire. Basically that's it. After doing this, there's nothing else. We didn't have to do anything else, let's say, on this machine. I'm not sure if you're gonna encounter any other issues that we did not hear. So if you encounter any issues, you let us know. After we did all these changes that we just described, the machine worked fine. In fact, we can just check it out now. Now this is our start button, our frequency drive, set for 50. We made the maximum frequency as 50, and you can change it for your needs down to all the way to 0. So you can adjust it to any value you want. We recommend that you run it at 50, or if you have to run it at lower, maybe you can go down to 40. You can try different numbers for your application. So we're going to run the machine now. This is our start button. So the motor is turning now. It takes about 6 seconds. We set the ramp up time for 6 seconds. Right now it's turning at 40 Hertz, and we increase it to now 50. We can change the speed as we need while the motor is running, down to 20 or all the way to 0. But anyways, we made it 50. Now we turn it off. The light is gone. The motor is slowing down, and we can start again in case we have to. We start or we stop. Start, stop. So we don't see any errors. The machine runs fine. This completes the installation. Let's say for the wiring. If you would like, you can install this unit here by removing these conditioners from here. Take them out somewhere on the side of the machine. Open this area at the bottom and install it right here. You can also put some kind of protection wall in between right here, and so the air pneumatic system doesn't affect the frequency drive. You can also move these pieces a little bit to the right so you have more space there. Normally, if you could also install the frequency drive here by pushing this transformer to the left all the way. Remove this and this. You don't need these two components any longer. Thermal breaker and soft starter. Then you push this one to the side. Then you have some room in here to use for this frequency drive. But it looks that if it is slightly smaller than the frequency drive, it may not fit there. So this may not be practical. Or your other option would be install it on the side of the machine. We are sending you a box. You can install the box right here first by drilling holes. This is the box. So you would let's say install it. It has four holes. You install it right here, and then you place the frequency drive in the center of it inside with screws. Then drill holes for the wires to go through the wall of this machine and take it through the inside of the machine. You can bring the wires from there, perhaps closer, close to the wall, and then through this opening push them in, or here push them in. These red wires, control wires, and blue power wires, push them through these conduits, take them in, then join those wires to the wires of the machine, the electric panel wires in here, like we described initially on this video. So that's how we can do it. I would like to show you an example here. This is we have an application for a different machine, same size as a box right here, and we are installing a frequency drive for it. As we can see, same way you would install the box on the machine like this. First find the right spot, then drill holes here, and here. Put your bolts. These are 5/16 bolts, 5/16 or 8mm, either way, metric or inch bolts. And then we drill a hole in here. This is our power source, and this is our control wire here in this particular application. And this is the motor wire here, joining the frequency drive. Again, for motor wire, just a side note, you can also take the motor wire from here, take it all the way out through the conduits, and drill a hole and bring it under here. This is another option you can do. Although we provided here a long red wire for it in case if you don't want to do this, you can again bring the wires through the conduits and join them with the motor wires, or you can get the motor cable through here and join it with the frequency drive inside this box under it. So this is pretty much it, and if you have any questions, please let us know.